Good morning, happy homeowners. Santa Monica Post Office. Remember the earlier videos? This new wood was almost white. Now look at that, almost blends right in. Actually ended up being better than we thought it would. But man, what a difference. Just one more reason we like to claim to be the best hardwood floor company in history. Laugh out loud. We are polishing up this last small section and be working our way out. I'm gonna walk over here and get this dirty, and the guys are gonna be yelling at me. I better not do it. Whew, beautiful, beautiful. So we are finishing up and on to the next one. Any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll reach out to you. If you'd like a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors, give me a shout out. We will get you a copy of that. All right, guys, enjoy your day. We are done. Stick a fork in it.